Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video. So for today's video we're checking out this mini dehumidifier. So I love stuff that's small and compact. So you guys know me, if you've been following me and seen any of my other reviews, you know me, I love stuff that is small, simple, compact, but a lot of features. So alright, you get a manual inside the box. I don't think we need a manual. I think we can knock this out of the park. Very simple. It looks like a pretty nice looking unit here. So it looks like it pulls in air, not 360 degrees, but still pretty good. So if you look around all these different vents, alright, so that came right out. So inside there they had the power supply and everything. Looks like they got auto off function, so that's a plus, and that just pops on right there. So it looks like it stops once it fills up, and that just slides right inside. Let's see. Yeah, that just slides right inside. So be careful when you tip it. It kind of wants to fall right out. Obviously, you're not going to be holding it like that. You're going to be keeping it up. There's a little compartment for you to look to see the water. But it does look like it has an auto-off feature because it looks like once that gets full, the magnet probably switches or hits a sensor somewhere up in there to auto go off. So we're definitely going to test this out and see how it performs. You have your power button on the side and also light mode. So let's go ahead. This is your plug. Let's go ahead and plug it in and check out the light mode and see how it works. Guys, so it looks like there's also a window right here so you can look in and see. So you'll be able to look in there and see the water as it rises as well from the front. To turn it on, you just press the power and here's the light. We're gonna check out the light in the dark. So this is the light. You got different colors here, so nice colors. Now it doesn't flash like that, that's just our camera, but let's see if you can change the modes. So it looks like you can do it slower. Goes through a bunch of different modes here. So overall though, you can change the fan speed. 2 modes, high and low. So we'll have it on and see if it collects water, but overall it's a pretty nice little small unit. Alright guys, so after one shower, let's show you guys what happened. So as you can see, it brought some water in it, so it is working.